Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat error code SS07. This error usually shows when Snapchat blocks your login or blocks your account temporarily because of suspicious activity or too many login attempts, or if you're using apps or VPN that Snapchat doesn't trust. So here's how to fix it step by step. First thing, if you're using a VPN, turn it off. Snapchat doesn't like VPNs. Go to your phone settings, VPN, turn it off, then reopen Snapchat and try again. Second, clear Snapchat cache. Open Snapchat, tap your profile icon, tap the settings gear on the top right, scroll down, tap clear cache, then tap clear all. Don't worry, this doesn't delete chats or photos. After that, close Snapchat completely and reopen. Third step, update Snapchat. Go to your App Store or Play Store and check for Snapchat updates. Install the latest version, then try logging in again. Old versions can trigger SS07. Fourth, remove any third-party apps. If you installed any apps that give filters or screenshots or save snaps secretly, uninstall them. Snapchat detects these apps and blocks your account. So, quick summary. Turn off VPN Clear Cache Update. Snapchat remove third-party apps. After these steps, you should be able to log in again without the SS7 error. Thanks for watching.